What's up, family? How you guys doing today? I'm here with Milky Tech, and just because I'm on vacation does not mean I'm not coming back to you with another unboxing. Let's get this done. Today I'll be doing an unboxing on this HP Pavilion 15-inch laptop. The reason why I'm getting this is because I forgot my laptop at home and I need something that will get the work done. And based on this guy's specs, it seems to check off all the marks. Last year, I've taken a look at and was impressed by its predecessor, which I have the link over here. And I figured I'll give this newer product a try. So let's go over the packaging and then unbox this guy and start it up. And guys, if you enjoy this kind of content, smash that like and hit subscribe. And the link for this product will be in the description below. First things first, let's go over the specs of this laptop. So in this laptop, we have a Core i7-1165G7 processor with turbos up to 3.8 GHz, 512 gig SSD, 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM at 3200 MHz, a full HD IPS 15-inch display at 250 nits. I wish it was a little bit brighter. B&O audio, a 3-cell 41 watt-hour battery, which will give you about 8.5 hours of battery life. And the screen is touchscreen. So let's go over the packaging before I open it up. On this side is just a nice, beautiful HP logo. Over here we have just some cereals. Haha. Like Captain Crunch. On this side we have a whole bunch of warnings that you know the battery is flammable, it is fragile, and we have an Intel processor. Not much on this side or this side. And on this side we have a whole bunch of specs which I went over previously. Let's unbox it. Incision there, incision there, and first things first. Out. We have our power brick with their cylindrical style connector. I wish it was type C. Our power cord. We have a quick starter guide and warranty information. And if you buy this from Costco, you get exclusivity. And this is the warranty card. And now let's take a look at the laptop. Remove all this protective cardboard. So let's tour the product. Over here we have our webcam, our 1080p display, our backlit keyboard, the trackpad, and some stickers that you know what's inside of it. On the top we have this beautiful aluminum finish blue with a reflective HP logo. On this side we have a Kensington lock, a USB 3, and our power. Nothing much on this side, just the Pavilion logo. On this side we have a microphone headphone combo, a micro SD card slot, Thunderbolt USB Type-C, a USB 3.0 port, and HDMI. And on the bottom we have a cutout for our speakers and a big intake. On the bottom it's not aluminum, it's plastic. But on the top, it's aluminum. So it's a plastic aluminum combo. So this is a weird location for a power button, but let's see if it has enough juice to start up. It is alive! And now we're gonna set up the laptop. If you guys wanna know a more in-depth tutorial on how to set up the laptop, check out my video over here. And now let's do some flex testing, see how flexible the laptop is. One thing about this laptop here, I like this screen, not much flex to it. It's pretty rigid. You guys remember that this hinge does not open all the way up. It stops right here. So you can't flatten it out and it cannot become a yoga. So just be a little bit careful. I like the hinge. It goes across the whole laptop and it feels pretty good. You know, it doesn't feel like it's gonna just fall off or snap off. Let's do the one hand laptop opening test. It doesn't. You need to do two hands to open it up. So let's see how clicky the keyboard is. It's not bad. Travel distance is pretty good on each keystroke. And now I want to do a handoff where we go from our current recording gear to the laptop's recording gear and test out the microphone quality and the video quality of it. As you can see, this RF what a laptop does. It gets the job done, and well, I wish it could do it better. Let's test the whole laptop flexing. And I'm flexing pretty hard right now. Using a lot of muscles, and it's pretty rigid. Push down on the laptop. There is some push to it, but it is not that bad. Overall, I'm impressed with this laptop's build and speed quality. It is not that bad. There isn't much flex or bend to the laptop itself The keystrokes are nice, so when you're typing, it will be great. The trackpad is pretty big. I like that. That's an improvement from last year's model. I wish they were using Type-C instead of their proprietary cylindrical charge ports. Also, instead of a micro SD reader, I wish it was a full SD card reader, because when you're editing and you got to transfer photos from here to there, it's great to just slide it right in instead of having to get an adapter. Overall, I think it's a solid laptop, and I am looking forward to testing it out and putting it through its paces. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like, hit subscribe, ring that bell so you're notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question, a comment, or want to say hello, drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.